My name is Nancy Campbell. I'm also known as the Headache Slayer. I'm a licensed massage and bodywork therapist in North Carolina. It was about 4 years ago that I opened my private practice, but I have been practicing massage therapy for 9 years. I was working with a group practice and I kind of was thinking about spinning off on my own. There was things I wanted to implement, paths I wanted to go that were different. Well, I think being a massage therapist, that's one of the most local things I can do. I am working directly with a person, working directly on a person. I call them on the phone directly. I'm not always just sending out generic mailers or anything like that. I have an individual relationship with every single one of my clients, and a lot of big box stores can't do that.